The AI landscape just completely transformed this week with some absolutely incredible releases that are going to change a lot. If you're not subscribed yet, hit that button now because these updates are redefining what AI can do. OpenAI just released their GPT 4.1 model series, and it's a complete game changer. The GPT 4.1 series, comprising GPT 4.1, GPT 4.1 Mini, and GPT 4.1 Nano, is optimized for coding. These models, available through OpenAI's API, show marked improvements. GPT 4.1 scores 55% on SWE Bench, a coding benchmark, and outperforms previous models like GPT 4.0 and GPT 4.5 in some aspects. It can analyze 8 times more code at once, is 40% faster than GPT 4.0, and reduces user input query costs by 80%. What's fascinating here is that OpenAI engineered these models specifically for developer use cases, making them exclusively available through their API rather than ChatGPT. The performance improvements are absolutely incredible. GPT 4.1 has set new benchmarks in coding challenges with remarkable results on platforms like GitHub. In fact, GitHub announced that GPT 4.1 is now available in public preview for all Copilot plans, including the free tier, through the model picker in Visual Studio Code. Now, in another major announcement, OpenAI released 2 other models that have been generating serious buzz, the O3 and O4 mini models. These are part of their O series, which are specifically trained to think longer before responding, a completely different approach to AI reasoning. The O3 model is OpenAI's most powerful reasoning model to date, pushing across the frontier in coding, math, science, and visual perception. What makes this model stand out is its ability to think with images. It doesn't just see an image, it actually thinks with that image as part of its reasoning process. This is revolutionary because it can analyze images in completely new ways, zooming in, rotating, and transforming them as part of its thought process. The O4 mini model is smaller but still incredible, optimized for fast, cost-efficient reasoning. It achieves remarkable performance for its size, particularly in math, coding, and visual tasks. In fact, it's the best performing model on the 2025 math benchmark, which is pretty mind-blowing when you think about it. Now let's shift gears to what xAI has been up to, because Elon Musk's AI company has made some major moves this week as well. They've officially unveiled Grok Studio, a powerful new interface for document creation and code execution. This is a significant evolution of their Grok AI system, moving it from just a chatbot into a full-fledged productivity platform. Grok Studio brings features like live document editing, allowing you to write and revise text with AI assistance, and live code execution where you can preview and run code directly within the interface. One of the most impressive capabilities is the ability to upload spreadsheets and ask Grok to prepare comprehensive reports with charts and illustrations. What makes this particularly powerful is the seamless integration with Google Drive, allowing direct access to your documents. This creates a collaborative environment that many are comparing to tools like Notion AI, but with significantly more advanced capabilities. The split-screen collaboration mode is especially useful, letting you work on content while Grok assists in real time. Google isn't sitting on the sidelines either. They've just announced Gemini 2.5 Flash, their new model that pushes the boundaries of what's possible with AI reasoning. What makes this model revolutionary is that it's Google's first fully hybrid reasoning model, giving developers the ability to turn thinking on or off. This thinking budget feature is absolutely game-changing because it allows developers to control how much reasoning the model does before responding. When you need fast, straightforward answers, you can turn the thinking down and get responses up to 600% faster. But when you need deep analysis, you can crank up the thinking and get more thorough, accurate results. According to Google's official announcement, Gemini 2.5 Flash sits on the Pareto frontier for performance to cost ratio, making it an incredibly efficient option for developers. It's designed to offer a balance between price and capability, with well-rounded abilities across coding, math, science, and other domains. The technical architecture is fascinating. Google has essentially created a model that can seamlessly transition between different modes of operation depending on the task. This represents a fundamental shift in how AI models approach reasoning tasks, and it's going to give developers unprecedented control over the AI systems they build. And finally, Kling AI 2.0 just launched with multimodal video and image editing capabilities. This next-generation AI creative studio has more than 22 million users already, and the 2.0 update brings a comprehensive upgrade from image generation to video generation. The update includes two major new models, Kling 2.0 Master and Colors 2.0. Kling 2.0 Master is their video generation model with improved prompt understanding, enhanced character motion dynamics, and greater visual quality. Colors 2.0 brings major improvements to image generation, including better prompt adherence, enhanced cinematic aesthetics, and support for over 60 stylizations for image transformation. What's particularly impressive about this release is how it handles multimodal references and multi-element composition. You can upload reference images to guide your video generation, and the system can now create videos with multiple subjects or elements that interact naturally. This level of control puts Kling AI 2.0 ahead of many competitors in the space. The pace of innovation in AI is absolutely staggering, and we're seeing the emergence of systems that are approaching capabilities that would have seemed impossible just a year ago. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure you're subscribed to stay updated on all the latest AI developments as they happen.